Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to discuss class 5 mathematics chapter operations in numbers, which is taken from the book Math Carnival, and we are going to discuss its unit 3, which is subtracting large numbers. Let us begin with the learning outcomes of this unit. At the end of this unit you will be able to subtract large numbers without regrouping and subtract large numbers with regrouping. Let's start with subtracting 8-digit numbers without regrouping. Here an example is given for you. Here you can see the place value ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, millions and 10 million. So here the numbers are written in the international way. The first number is 35,978,924 and the second 8-digit number is 21,651,013. We are going to subtract these two numbers. Okay, let's start subtracting them. 4 minus 3 1, 2 minus 1 1, 9 minus 0 9, 8 minus 1 7, 7 minus 5 2, 9 minus 6 3, 5 minus 1 4 and 3 minus 2 1. Very easy and simple. Now we are going to subtract 8-digit numbers with regrouping. Another example for you. Again the numbers are written in the international way. So the first number is 45,688,424 and the second 8-digit number is 26,088,577. Now we have to subtract them. So in the ones column we are having number 4 and 7. 4 is smaller than 7, so we cannot subtract 7 from 4. So what we will do, we will borrow 1 from the 2 which is in the tens column. After borrowing 1, 2 will become 1 and this 4 will become 14. 14 minus 7 equals to 7. Now come to the tens column. In tens column we are having 1 and 7. We cannot subtract 7 from 1, so we have to borrow 1 from the 4 of hundreds column. So we'll borrow 1 from 4, it will become 3 and it will become 11. 11 minus 7 equals to 4. Comes to the hundred column. In hundreds column we are having 3 and 5. We cannot subtract 5 from 3 because 3 is a smaller number, so we have to borrow again from the thousand column. In thousands column we are having 8. So we'll borrow 1 from 8, it will become 7 and it will become 13. 13 minus 5 equals to 8. Now in thousand columns we are having 7 and 8. We cannot subtract 8 from 7 because 7 is a smaller number, so we'll borrow from 10,000 column. In 10,000 columns we are having 8. We'll borrow 1 from 8, it will become 7 and this 7 will become 17. 17 minus 8 equals to 9. Now 10,000 column. In 10,000 column we are having 7 and 8. Again it is not possible to subtract 8 from 7. 7 is a smaller number. We'll borrow from 100,000 column. In 100,000 column we are having 6. We'll borrow 1 from 6, it will become 5 and this 7 will become 17. 17 minus 8 equals to 9. Now 100,000 column. In 100,000 column we are having 5 and 0. 5 minus 0 equals to 5. Now come to the millions column. In millions column we are having 5 and 6. Again 5 is smaller than 6. We cannot subtract 6 from 5, so we have to borrow 1 from 10 millions column. In 10 millions column we are having 4. We'll borrow 1 from this 4, it will become 3 and it will become 15. 15 minus 6 equals to 9. So in the 10 millions column we are having 3 and 2. 3 minus 2 equals to 1. So after subtracting, the answer is 19,599,847. A short test for you. Can you subtract these 9-digit numbers? I know you can do it easily. Good luck and thank you.